Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bulk edit products in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to make sure that you are already in your WordPress admin panel. And after that, all we need to do is just to go to our products page and we can start like bulk editing on our products. So simply go to products and here we can find our products. I'm just going to click on our products so we can see the list of our products. So from here, we can find already a bulk action area or button. And simply, you can also control your product page so you can see the SKU or anything that you would like for your products. So after that, you will need just to select the products that you want to bulk edit. So here I'm just going to choose my variable and t-shirt. Then I will go to the bulk action and click on edit. I'm just going to click on apply. And as you can see, those are my two items that I'm going to edit. Now we can assign a category for both these uh, tool for these products, and just going to give them a casual, and let's suppose I'm just going to give them taxable, and that's it. That's all I need to update for these products. And now I'm just going to click on updates. It will refresh and I will find that our product will be taxable and they will have a category that has been added. So as you can see, already the category became casual, and that means that we could bulk edit our product successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.